What's up guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to sublimate a adjustable dog collar. I know many families of you guys have dogs, so it is necessary and important to have dog collars, right? Okay, well, let's get straight to the point. As you can see, there are so many stuff on our table. Just let me introduce one by one. First is our printing machine GS803, then dog collar and printing image. Normally we print the dog names, but actually it just depends on your preference. You can print anything you like. Glove, high heel resistant tape, Teflon sheet, which for getting away from something dirty. Okay, before we start printing, I still gonna need to tell you something. The printing parameters. First is temperature. It should be 180 degrees Celsius and 60 seconds. Because the pressure right here we have already set up, so we recommend you the pressure medium. Well, when the introduction is over, let's print, shall we? Okay, we just place the printing image on dog collar and fixing with high heel resistant tapes. Make sure that it's fully covered with the printing image. Put it at lower platinum. Cover with Teflon sheet. Okay, let's scale it. Okay guys, time's up. Let's check out the final result.